A 44-year-old former factory worker at a container manufacturing plant has been sentenced to 5 years in prison after he put shards of glass into foam cups manufactured for fast food restaurants. In 2016, Michigan-based Dart Container received complaints from restaurants in Indiana, Kentucky, and Ohio after they found pieces of glass in their cups. After receiving the complaints, the plant pulled the products and found 7 additional boxes that contained styrofoam cups with broken glass. The company reached out to authorities about possible product tampering. At the time, Waylon Horton was working on the styrofoam cups production lines at a Dart plant in Horse Cave, Kentucky. On 2 separate occasions, he put pieces of broken glass into styrofoam cups that were then shipped to the restaurants. On July 13, 2018, Horton pleaded guilty to tampering with consumer products. Well, this week, a judge sentenced Horton to 60 months imprisonment, followed by 2 years of supervised release. In a statement, U.S. Attorney Russell Coleman said, quote, "Mr. Horton did real harm, placing both families and a major local employer at risk. And for that, federal prison time is just punishment." IEN reached out to Dart Container, but they did not return our request for comment. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.